Be it a movie or a football match, you surely have these popcorn packets opening up. So what makes one of the world's oldest snack pop? Why does it pop? Is it a physical change or a chemical change? How much pressure is there inside each kernel of popcorn? Well, all this is here in this video. Although this snack has spread far and wide, USA still remains the largest consumer of popcorn. In 2014, they consumed about 16 million cubic meters of popcorn. So much of popcorn would fill Empire State Building 18 times. Coming to the parts of a popcorn, the brown part you see, it's called the hull, and it's the hard outer covering. And there is a white part on the top. This forms the fluffy substance in the end. The white part you see, this is what was on there on the top. And you can see the brownish hull broken into pieces inside. Inside the hull there is a magical stuff, which turns this hard shell into this. So the equation is, like any other plant, even the corn has a lot of varieties. The baby corn, sweet corn, popcorn, and a lot more. Out of all these, popcorn is the only variety that has the magical stuff I was talking about in sufficient amount to make it pop, and hence suggesting its name. But what is that magical stuff? Native American tribes, so as to prevent their children from having too much popcorn, used to tell stories that inside each kernel of popcorn, spirits lived, and that these spirits were happy and content to live there, but they got angry if their house popcorn was heated. And the hotter it became, the angrier they got. And finally, it was hot enough for them to come out in the air as disgruntled puff of steam and spread everywhere in the house to haunt these children later. These beliefs surely kept the children from having too much popcorn. But does that answer our question? How does the popcorn pop? What is that magical stuff? Well, that magical stuff, it's moisture. Moisture, it's all around us, and it even helps the popcorn to pop. A kernel of popcorn holds about 13 to 13.5% of its weight as moisture, which is located in its starchy center. So each kernel acts like a mini pressure cooker. As we switch on the stove, the moisture inside it is superheated to 180 to 225 degrees centigrade, leading to its vaporization. The steam thus formed applies pressure to the inner parts of the hull. This pressure is equal to 9.2 atmosphere. It is like being 95 meters below water. Due to intense pressure and heat, the starch liquefies. The hull begins to crack and wobble here and there until it is no longer able to hold up to the pressure. It ruptures with steam and liquid starch coming out. This liquid starch, when it is exposed to open air, solidifies into the white foamy substance we see on the top. Well, here it is, how the popcorn pops. Oh, scared me. Watch again in slow motion and do notice how the escaping steam sends the popcorn flying. But if each kernel of popcorn acts like a mini pressure cooker, what would happen if there's a hole in the hull of a popcorn? Would it still pop? Well, this question depends on how big is that hole. Many a times while making popcorn, we do come across those corns which do not pop properly. Well, this is because the steam that is generated inside the corn escapes via this hole, leading to loss of pressure. And since there is less pressure created inside the popcorn, it does not pop. With all this said, is popping of corn a physical change or a chemical? Well, it's a physical change. But why? I mean, first of all, what is a physical change? A change in the form of a substance and not its chemical composition is referred to as a physical change. Earlier, moisture was in its liquid form, but during the process, it got converted into steam, which is its vapor form. But many people argue that the outer covering earlier was brown and now it is white. So does that mean it's a chemical change? No, there has just been rearrangement of all the substances of a popcorn. The brownish hull, which was previously outside, has now gone inside, and the whitish starch, which was previously inside, has now come outside. Thanks a ton for watching this video. I'll be putting some more videos, but I have a question. Even coconut has water, so do you think if we heat it, it would pop? Please write the answers down in comments.